Now, talking about the verbs, we have highlighted some few verbs here, which are very, very important when we are trying to construct some few sentences in French. Now, the first verb I'm going to explain here is the verb être. The verb être. Être means to be, as it's written here. Être means to be. And with this être, we can construct so many sentences, 10, 15, 20 sentences with this verb only, être. Now, how do we conjugate être? In French, the sentence construction, just like in every other language, is we must have the subject, we must have the verb, and we must have an object. A subject, a verb, and an object. So the subject we have in French must always be a noun or a pronoun. Now the pronouns we have in French are je, meaning I, tu, meaning you, we have il or elle, meaning he or she. We have nous, which is we. We have vous, which is you. And we have il and elle, which is they. Masculine or feminine. Masculine or feminine. Now the pronouns we have on my left side are singular pronouns, while the one I have on my left are plural. So the je is the first person singular, while the tu is the second person singular. The il or elle are third person singular pronouns. The nous is a first person plural, then the vous is a second person plural. The il or elle, meaning they, are third person plurals. The il is for masculine, while the elle is for feminine. Okay, let's proceed further. Now, to conjugate in French, to conjugate the verb être, we have je suis, tu es, il or elle est, we have nous sommes, we have vous êtes, and we have ils sont and elles sont. Now, je suis here means I am. I am. Tu es means you are. Il est means he is. Elle est means she is. Nous sommes means we are. Vous êtes means you are. Ils sont means they are. And elles sont means they are. I repeat. Je suis, I am. Tu es, you are. Il est, he is. Elle est, she is. Nous sommes, we are. Vous êtes, you are. Ils sont, elles sont. They are, masculine and feminine. So if you notice, here I said nous sommes. Nous sommes. This is basically because when we have double S in French coming together, it is pronounced as S. It gives us the S sound. That's why we have nous sommes here. Now here we have vous êtes. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. We have a Z sound here. This is because when S is placed in between two vowels. Now look at it. We have a vowel here and we have a vowel here. So the S there is now pronounced as Z. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. And the last one here we have ils sont and elles sont. A question might be running through your mind that why is this you are and this is you are too. Now, tu es means you are. but singular, meaning I may be referring to one person or somebody that is younger. I can refer to that person as tu, es. That is how this is used. While vous êtes could be used to address a number of people, that is plural, or somebody that is older. Somebody that is older. So that's how to use tu es and vous êtes. Now let's go to some examples we have here. We have an example here. This person says, Je suis Monsieur White. I am Mr. White. Je suis américain. I'm an American. J'habite à Lagos. I live in Lagos. Je parle anglais et français. I speak English and French. Je suis, I am, Monsieur White, Mr. White. Je suis again American. I'm an American. J'habite à Lagos. Je parle anglais et français. Those are ways to construct sentences in French. Now let's go further to the other verbs we have in French, which is the first group verbs.